Right, I've just come back from the RoadHouse diner where I have grabbed our lunch. So I'll make this quick so we can crack on with it. The main reason I went, apart from the lunch, was to try and finalise the classic car meet, because we've had phenomenal feedback to that event. Lots of people asking when we're going to do it again. Such a wide variety of cars there, it was amazing. But I've been up to the RoadHouse and we are going now for the second Saturday of every month for the next 3 months. We're going to trial it on the Saturdays. It just gives us a bit more scope to potentially expand into the field beside us, because there's other events that happen there on the Saturday and on a bank holiday Monday. Did we get that sneeze?
You're all good.
We're all good, I'll carry on. So yeah, the second Saturday of every month, which in May will be the 9th. So the diner is fully staffed. The menu is amazing. There's loads of additional bits on the menu now. Killer burgers, chicken burgers, fresh made beef burgers, the meatballs. You've got to come and check out these meatballs. It is a fantastic venue and we're keen to keep supporting it as they're supporting us, and we'll grow it. I say 147 cars last time. I'm sure we can top that. I know a lot of people like a Sunday meet, but we've also had great response to the possibility of a Saturday meet. So we're trying to work out what is going to work best for all involved. So as I say, the next 3 months, the Painting Classic Cars general classic car meet will be held at the RoadHouse diner. And they're a busy venue and they've got more and more bookings for smaller events as well. So check them out on social media. We'll keep you posted with updates, photographs of the events as they go. And let's try and grow this into quite something. So hopefully I'll see some of you at least on May the 9th.